Bore da, a chroeso I sesiwn Ffit yn 5 newydd. Good morning, welcome to a new Ffit in 5 session. Os o'ch chi'n watcho dydd Gwyliau gyda Stefano, fe nath e sesiwn gyda thema gemau Olympaidd. If you watched on Friday, Stefano did an Olympic Games inspired theme. So, fi'n mynd i cario fy mlaen. I'm going to carry it on. Mae'n gymaint o chwaraeon yn y gemau Olympaidd. Fi'n newn ni ail session here. There's so many sports and activities in the Olympic Games. I'm going to do another Olympic Games session today. So, 5 gweithgaredd newydd, 5 gweithgaredd gemau Olympaidd. 5 new activities, 5 new Olympic activities, okay? Cofiwch bod digon o lle gyda chi, got enough room, a bod botel o dŵr gyda chi, that you've got a drinks bottle. So we will land from it back. We're going to start a little warm-up, a wedyn ni'n mynd mewn i'r 5 gweithgaredd. Chi'n barod? Okay, ni'n dechrau jogo ar y smotin. We'll start jogging on the spot to warm up. Da iawn chi. Dechrau codi'r pengliniau, start lifting the knees. Good. Make sure bod y breichiau'n symud hefyd. Make sure your arms are moving. Now, ni'n mynd i cico lan tu ôl. We're going to kick up behind. Da iawn chi. A nôl I jogo, back to jogging on the spot. Make sure bod y trad yn dod oddi i'r llawr. Make sure your feet come off the floor. Da iawn chi. Right. Course lan. A mas. Okay, leg up. Out. Tair gwaith. A pobi course. 3 times on each leg. Un ola. Last one. Right, ni'n barod I fynd. Ras gyntaf. First race is going to be a hurdles race. So ni'n mynd jogo and gloi and neidio. Okay, so we're going to be jogging really fast and then jumping every time. Okay, Ras 1. First race is going to be the heat. Right, ennill hwnna, we're going to have to win that. Ras 2 i'r final. It's going to be the final for race 2. Heat. Second race is the final. See if we can get ourselves on the podium. Gweithgaredd rhif 2. Ni'n mynd I codi pwysau. We're going to be doing some weightlifting. Okay, dim pwysau go iawn, not real weights. And ni'n mynd I cael y technique. We're going to get the technique. Rhif 3. Ni'n mynd I wneud bach o gymnastig. Ni'n mynd I bod yn cadw cyd bwysau. We're going to do some gymnastics balancing for number 3. Rhif 4. Ni'n mynd I draw i'r cylch boxo. We're going to go over to the boxing ring. And neud bach o boxio. We're going to do some boxing, so make sure there's nobody near you, but neb ar bwys chi. A rhif 5, gweithgaredd newydd i'r gemau Olympaidd, a new sport for the Olympic Games this year, bach o surfio. We're going to do some surfing, okay? Ond, parach becsos, dim eisiau dŵr, mae'n neud y mewn ti fewn. Dim eisiau offer, dim un o hyn, we don't need any equipment today to do those 5 Olympic sports. A chi'n barod I dechrau. Fi'n I troi cloc yma. Dyma cloc. Pawb yn barod i'r ras cyntaf, sef heat y clwydydd, hurdles heat. Chi'n barod? 5 eiliad. Pawb yn barod. Bant â ni, so ni'n chydig yn gloi. Neidio, chydig yn gloi. Clwyd. Pob tro ni'n gweld clwyd, ni'n goffod neidio drosto fe. So ni'n chydig, clwyd. We're running, when we see a hurdle, we've got to jump the hurdle. So we run in, jump, run in, jump. A chi cadw lan, os na gyda'n ennill hwn, ni mas o gemau Olympaidd. Da iawn. 5 eiliad ar ôl. 3, 2, 1. Llongyfarchiadau, chi trwyddo i'r final. You're through to the final. Barod I fynd, 5 eiliad. Yr un peth eto. 2, 1. Bant â ni. So ni'n hydeg. Neidio. Final y gemau Olympaidd am y ras clwydydd. Okay? You're into the final of the hurdles race for the Olympic Games. Da iawn chi. 10 eiliad I fynd. Da iawn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. O, cofiwch cael eich hefyd. O. Byddai blin o'r ôl yn gyntaf, bore yma. Da iawn chi. A cafoch chi medal fyna. Did you get a medal? Nesa, ni'n mynd draw i codi pwysau, gyda'n some weightlifting. Mae'n gyntaf, ni'n codi pwysau, fel hyn, a gwthio ymlaen, okay? Off we go. So we're going to start, elbows here, push up, down, up, down, da iawn chi. Lan, law, lan, law, da iawn chi, newch siŵr bod chi'n gwasgu lan, da iawn, really reaching nice and high, brechau symud, lan a law, da iawn chi, 5 eiliad i fynd, da iawn chi, tro ma bach mwy o pwysau, ni angen i codi fe, o llaw, so ni'n plygu penniau, squat, a lan, okay? Off we go. So we start on the floor. Squat, up, back to the floor. Squat, up. Na fe, nôl i'r llaw. Squat, a lan. Da iawn chi. Cadwch hwnna symudiad na i fynd. Keep that movement going. Oh. Gweithio peliniau a breichiau tro yma. Knees, arms, legs. 3, 2, 1, da iawn chi, chi wedi codi pwysau. Mlaen i hip 3. Sef cadw cyd pwysau, keep in balance. Tro yma. Fe sy'n chi esgus bod bar tu blaen chi. Pretend there's a bar in front of you. Un trad tu blaen llall. 1 foot in front of the other. And we're going to keep our feet together. Os oes lanes on the floor. If you've got lines on the floor, you can use a line on the floor. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1, bant ni. Okay? So cerdded, un trad, tu blaen y llall. 1 foot in front of the other. Esgus bod chi ar bar. Pretend you're on a balance beam. Dim cwmp off, neu chi'n mynd i colli. O, wobbles. Na fe. Chi'n mynd nôl, a nid eto. Da iawn chi. 3, 2, 1, a cwmp chi bant. Did you fall? Did you stay on? Un nesa, ni'n mynd i rhoi un trad, codi, a cadw cydbwysedd ar y beam. Okay, so 1 foot down, lift the other. We're going to keep our balance on that beam now. Not move off the beam for 30 seconds. Dim symud, 30 eiliad. Chi'n gallu, galed. Chi'n gallu pwyso ymlaen. Can you lean forward? Heb colli balance, without losing your balance. Da iawn chi. Can you hold that position? Heb symud, no moving. Don't fall off the beam. Da iawn chi, well done. Okay, draw i'r cyrch boxio, the boxing ring. Chi'n gwneud hyn o blaen gyda fi. Ni'n mynd i wneud 1, 2, 3, ymlaen. 1, 2, 3, and up, okay? Patrwm, a nice pattern. Dwi'n cofio fe? So, 1, 2, 3, ymlaen. Pryd nag ni'n pwntio, mae brechau lan o bwys gwyn yn there. Hands up by our face when we're not punching. Newch siŵr bod neb ar bwys. There's nobody nearby. Chi'n barod? 1, 2, 3, ymlaen. 1, 2, 3, lan. Da iawn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Good. 1, 2, 3, lan. 1, 2, 3, lan. Good. 1, 2, 3, lan. Da iawn. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Good. 1, 2, 3, lan. 1, 2, 3, lan i gorffen. Tro ma. This time. 1, 2, 3, big swing. Okay? 1, 2, 3, big swing. You ready? 1, 2, 3, swing. 1, 2, 3, swing. 1, 2, 3, swing. Good. 1, 2, 3, swing. 1, 2, 3, swing. 1, 2, 3, swing. Good. Cadwch chi fynd. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, swing. 1, 2, 3, swing. Da iawn chi. Cadwch fynd. Swing. 2, 3, swing. 1, 2, 3. A gorffen. Da iawn chi. Un gweithgaredd i fynd. Cofiwch cael rhywbeth i yfed. One more to go. Syrffio. Ni'n mynd i dechrau. A bol â ni. Down onto your tummy. On the floor. Wedyn, ni'n mynd i bounsio lan. A sefyll yn sharp surfo. We're going to bounce up and hold that surfing position. So ni'n esgus, bod ni'n gorwedd ar y board, lying on the board. 3, 2, 1. A ni lan y sharp surfo. Lawr â ni, off â ni. So we start on the floor. Okay, bounce up, surf position. Da iawn, nôl ni bol â ni. Bounce up, nôl â ni, good. So we start on the floor, bounce up, into that surfing position. Nôl y llawr. Surf position, good. Esgus bod ni'n gorwedd ar surfboard. Tonnen dod. Good. Okay, lying on our surfboard. The waves are coming into that surfing position. 2, 1. Un i fynd. The big waves come in. A ton more yn dod. Gorwedd lawr ar y board. Os ni'n dala hwn yn perffaith, mynd y lair. Ni'n gorwedd, aros am y ton. 1, 2, 3. Lan â ni. Nôl lawr. Wait for the big wave. 1, 2, 3. Up we go. 1, 2, 3. Lan â ni. Good. Lawr. 1, 2, 3. Good. Dig eilad i fynd. The big wave is coming. 3, 2, 1. One more. Biggest wave coming. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Da iawn. Sawl medal air cafo chi. How many gold medals did you get? 5 gweithgaredd heddi. Ras llwydi. Codi pwysau. Gymnasteg. Bocsio, surfio. So we had hurdles, weightlifting, gymnastics, boxing, surfing. How many gold medals did you get? A cael chi record newydd. Did you get a new record? Ni'n mynd cerdded rownd. We're going to walk around to cool down. Wedi symud y mat yna, na fe. A Dewi ma. Dewi yn gwylio pob session. Dewi will watch every session. Okay, ni'n mynd cerdded o gwmpas. Un lap arall, one more lap. A nôl y canol, back to the middle. Let's go fi, mes y diod fi. Right. Chin, gain, draw un ochr, a datla. 3, 2, 1. Ochr arall, other side. 3, 2, 1. Gain, chin, lawr hefron, down to your chest. 3, 2, 1, da iawn. Un braich, am draws, one arm over, gwasgu mewn. 3, 2, 1. Shiglo, shake. Braich, draw, over, push in. 3, 2, 1, a shiglo. Coesau wedyn. Codi un cos lan. Lift one leg up, a dala. 3, 2, 1, a shiglo. Other leg. 3, 2, 1, a shiglo. Gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau. I hope you've enjoyed the second Olympic Games. With Stefano gyda chi to dydd Mercher. Stefano will be with you again on Wednesday. Who knows what Stefano's going to do? Cadwch llygad mas. Tudalen Facebook. I gweithio chi beth sy'n dod lan. Cofiwch I gwasgu'r thumbs up os chi wedi mwynhau y fideo. So hit the thumbs up if you like the video. A diolch yn fawr am heddi. Thank you very much for watching. Hwyl fawr. Goodbye. Whew.